Take a ride in the 2023 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, roof rack. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.